wanted to show you guys these little mending kits that I made for Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes this year. I actually made about 10 of them after requesting on our Buy Nothing Facebook group for these extra gum containers. A lady had 10 of them that her husband was just holding on to for the perfect reason, and she thought I had a good reason, so she gave me all 10 of them. So I made this little design on Canva. It has the first aid symbol, but it's actually, I named it a mending kit because it's part first aid, part sewing kit, and I referenced Proverbs 17:22, a joyful heart is good medicine. So I folded that out and put it inside here with some little glue dots just to keep it in place. Here you can see everything that I included, some band-aids, some cute little watercolor stickers because maybe they just need to mend their heart, some paper clips, rubber bands, a bulldog clip, a nice little clippers with instructions. I can include this file in the description, a retractable tape measure that fits perfectly inside. I wound some thread and a needle, some safety pins, and for the older girls I included a seam ripper. So I just kind of fit everything in here, and some of the flower stuff I put towards the back. I just love these little stickers. This fit nicely back here. Put all these little clips down there. And then these just kind of go in the lid. And I kind of turned it one way or the other. If I did like a green or a blue, then maybe I was going to put these in a boy box, so I'd put it that way. And then for the girls, I put this color out. But they turned out super cute, and I'm excited to put these in my shoeboxes.